As technology continues to evolve, artificial intelligence is becoming more prominent in nearly every aspect of our lives. But did you know that AI is categorized into 4 different domains? The first domain is reactive machines. These are AI systems that can only react to stimulus in the immediate environment. They cannot form memories or use past experiences, so they are only able to react to what is happening now. The second domain is limited memory. These AI systems can use past experiences to inform their decision-making. They are able to learn and make decisions based on those experiences, but they do not have a long-term memory to draw upon outside of their past experiences. The third domain is theory of mind. These AI systems are able to understand and predict human behavior. They can recognize patterns in emotions, beliefs, and intentions, and use that knowledge to better interact with humans. Finally, there is self-awareness. These AI systems represent the most advanced domain of all. They have the ability to understand their own existence and emotions, and can reflect on their own thoughts and actions. Understanding these 4 domains of AI is critical to understanding the potential and limitations of AI technologies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights on AI.